Hello children, welcome back. So nice to see you all. Today we're going to learn a new way how to read the sound A. You already know this A sound, don't you? But today I'm going to show you a different A sound. Let's begin. Repeat after me. A, A, A. Now let me show you a picture. That's me and my sister. We loved baking cakes. After we prepared all the ingredients, we used to shout out, "Let's make a cake! Let's make a cake!" We had so much fun. A. Make a cake. A. Make a cake. A. Make a cake. Now, let me say some sounds and words, and you repeat after me. Make, make. Ache, shake. Ache, cake. Name. Ache. 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 Aim. Name. Jolly good. Now let's see what the sound looks like. A. 2 letters, 1 sound. Special friends. But these special friends are very chatty. They talk all the time. So the teacher has split them up and she has put another letter sound in between. But you know what? They still hold each other's hands. A. Let's look for our sound on our speed sound chart. A. Are you ready for my game? Watch me. A. A, make a cake. A. A, make a cake. A. A, make a cake. Off you go, your turn. Great job. It's time for another game. I'm now going to show you some sounds that you already know. Your mission is to say them as fast as you can. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a little bit louder. Ready to go? Off we go. Good job for spotting today's A sound. I heard you shout it a little bit louder. It's time for us to go, right, Frank? I hope to see you next time. Keep on reading, keep on practicing. You're getting so good at this. See you next time. Goodbye.